Hey everyone, and welcome to Tapped In Academy. Today we're going to go over class 3, which is order types. Alright, now orders are how we go ahead and enter the market whether you're buying or selling. But there's also many different types of orders. So let's go ahead and dive into it. The first type of order that we're going to talk about is called a market order. Now, this is the most common type of market order because what this is going to allow you to do is enter the trade immediately, right at where price is on the spot. It's the fastest way to go ahead and execute a trade and to get in when you feel like it. All right. Now, the next kind of trade that we're going to talk about are different types of pending orders. Okay. What this is right here, we're going to talk about is a buy and sell limit. Now, on the left-hand side here, we're going to talk about a buy limit first. With a buy limit, the market is currently declining, but the investor expects it to bounce back. Thus, an entry point is created at a certain price. So as you can see here, price is all the way up here, but we set our buy limit right here. So price came down, bounced off, activated our buy limit, and bought right back up. Now on the other side of that coin here, we have our sell limit, okay? Meaning that you anticipate with this uptrend that it's going to reverse from a certain point. So you have your entry set at that price line. As you see, price came up, reversed back down, activating the sell, and then you continue on profits from there. Pretty straightforward. Now, there's also other types, so let's go ahead and dive in those too. The next one we're going to talk about is buy stop and sell stops. Now, a buy stop is selected when you anticipate a trend to go ahead and continue past a certain point where you're going to place the current order at. So as you see here, price is below, and you're anticipating price to go ahead and continue past this area, but you want to have your pricing for entry right here. You would do this when you're anticipating price to finally break a high and to continue on. Okay. Now on the other side of that coin, we're going to look at the sell stops. Okay. With the sell stops, we're anticipating price to go ahead and continue on through to a lower level. So we're going to put our sell stop entry right here where we want it to break and then continue. Pretty straightforward. All right. Once again, these are also types of pending orders. Okay. Let's go ahead and look at the next type. Now, there's also what's called stop limit orders, aka a stop loss. Now, these are extremely important because with these type of orders, they actually are there to protect you. Okay. You should be placing these on every single trade that you open if you're being a reasonable and responsible trader. Because what this is going to do is, if say you place a buy and market is not going in the upward direction that you're expecting and it's going down, this stop limit order, aka stop loss, is actually going to protect you. Because this is how we measure out, okay, oh, I'm going to risk $100, $1,000, $500. We measure it out by placing our stop losses in place, but while also measuring out our lot sizes. Okay, we'll talk more about lot sizes in the coming lessons as well too. Now, once again, pending orders, they're just basically known as a entry order. If you're not there placing the order right there manually on the spot, then it's just basically a pending order, meaning that it's going to get triggered automatically whenever price crosses or takes a certain action. You can also put time limits on these things, so it's just not out there lingering. You can set it for a day, a couple hours, a couple of minutes, whatever you want to do. It's up to you. Now, let's also talk about the two different types of positions that you can be in inside of this market. There's a long position, which is buying, and then there's also the short position, which is selling. Okay. The reason why they have these names is because typically whenever you're buying something, it takes a longer period of time, and when you're selling something, it takes a shorter period of time, meaning that markets typically sell faster than they buy. That's just market psychology and how things happen. Okay. So that's pretty much that. Now, bid and asking price. The price at which a security is sold for is the bid price, aka the sell price. All right. Now, the ask price is how much one can buy the security for, thus being the buy price. Okay. Now, sometimes the bid price and the ask price are equal, but usually there's a small difference in between the two called a spread, as you can see right here. Now, these spreads will be different based off of all the different brokers that are out there, so you want to pay attention to those different spreads whenever you're trading, because with that spread, that can also play into hand of your pending orders being triggered or not being triggered, or your take profits being triggered, or your stop loss being triggered. So pay attention to these things as you're trading. It shouldn't become like a major over the top big deal, but it is something that you want to be aware of and take into consideration when trading. But that's pretty much everything here for class number 3. I once again appreciate you guys for checking in with us, and we're going to see you in the next one. Peace.
Welcome to Tapped In Academy, where dreams take flight and success, it knows no bound. Join us on a journey of learning, growth, and endless possibilities in the world of trading.
Discover the power of having knowledge and resources at your fingertips. Our comprehensive course and expert insight will equip you with the tools you need to thrive in the markets. Picture a life of freedom, where your trading skills open doors to new horizons. With Tapped In Academy, you can embrace a future of financial independence and limitless opportunities.
I've been learning a lot.
I appreciate you, man.
Like closure is key. Kyle is very, very
I love it. I love this thing. I love the community that you put together, man. I'm gonna do this, man. I'm telling you, I'm gonna do this.
Ready to embark on an extraordinary journey? Check out our website. You can see our transformative course, join our live trading sessions, and join our community where we're dedicated to your success.
Experience the thrill of reaching new heights together. At Tapped In Academy, we're not just traders. We're a family united by a passion of trading and shared vision of success.